Welcome to the eSpark Tools Spotlight series. In this video, we will be reviewing the assignment tracker. Our assignment tracker has been greatly improved and further built out by our development team. The assignment tracker shows all assignments by subject and status. You can filter this by scheduled, in progress, or completed. It also shows an at-a-glance breakdown of student performance. You can find a detailed report for each assignment, including preview of the lesson, tracking progress, scores, student responses, and a new commonly missed question section. Let's take a look at what this looks like in your teacher dashboard. The assignment tracker can be found in the left side toolbar underneath the Student Reports drop-down menu. From the home page of the assignment tracker, you can see all of the assignments that are in progress, scheduled for future use, or completed. Up here at the top, you can sort by subject with math or reading, and then you can filter for that completion type. Additionally, from here, you can click into the specific assignment. You can view the date that your students are able to start working on it, see a class average, see some progress, which we'll take a look at in a second, and then we have our Actions button. From here in the Actions dropdown, you can reschedule this for a different day. You can completely end the assignment so it's no longer available for students to work on. And if your students have not yet started the assignment, you can actually click Delete, and this will help to clean up your assignment report if you accidentally scheduled something or changed your mind on the assignment. When we're looking at in-progress assignments or completed assignments, you can see a class average that is updating in real time as your students work on these assignments. You can also see a colorful progress bar as your students are completing the assignment, and eSpark is auto-sorting these students based on the score that they received. Let's dive into a specific assignment here. When I click into that assignment, I'm able to preview what my students are working on. I can reassign it to be available on a different day, view the average score, and also view how many students completed this specific assignment. As we scroll down, I see a commonly missed questions section. This identifies the questions that are tripping up your students as they work through this assignment. You can also view individual student responses where they're grouped together based on the answer choice that your students chose when answering the question. As we scroll further down in this detailed assignment tracker, we can see individual student progress that does update in real time. From here, you can view what parts of the assignment your students have completed with these colored filled in dots. You can see the score that your student received, and you can see their individual responses to the post quiz that they worked on. Additionally, you can sort by score. This will allow you to quickly see groupings of students that may need additional support on this specific skill. Scrolling back to the top, we have a reassign button that shows up when the assignment has been completed by your students. This reassign button will allow you to do one of two things. It automatically identifies the students that did not complete the assignment, maybe due to absence or they were pulled for a different group. And it auto groups the students that scored less than that 80%. We consider an 80% mastery here at eSpark, and so these students would get to practice again on this assignment with a different post quiz to see if they can work towards further mastery. Some ways that you can use the assignment tracker to help support and drive instruction in your classroom is by reassigning lessons to students who did not complete or demonstrate mastery of the skill. You can also use it to track each student's real-time progress on the assignment as they're working. And a third way is to identify those commonly missed questions to inform intentional reteaching via mini lesson, bell work, or even small group support. Thanks so much for watching this video on the assignment tracker. Happy eSparking!